Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today, well, we're in the downtown Kato Paphos harbour area, or should we say we're where the promenade ends and where the harbour begins. And then we're going to take you on a little detour into the back streets of downtown Kato Paphos promenade and harbour area. So that's the promenade finish, that's the harbour start. So we're going to go up that way, past the Vape Express, past a couple of other shops, past our Gumbaru with the electric scooters, all the way up to where the new bus station, well, temporary bus station is located, and we'd like you to come for a walk with us. But before we go, I want to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, and her name is Archie. Grazie via, la boo.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again, so stick with us. Here we go. Let's get over the road here and show you what's going on. You've got the Profile Jewellery Shop. They've got a shop in the Paphos Mall as that one. So if you want some Pandora or that kind of thing, that's where you would go. You've got the Sabas Optical Place. There's a shortcut through there that'll bring you out by T for the 2, but that will be a bit boring. You've got another sunglasses shop there. You've got a hat shop. And Gracie Bouffe has managed to walk past the hat shop without going, ooh, look at that one. So I'm quite surprised. Oh, her eyes are now watching over here. Ooh. There we go.
Oh my God.
Right, stick with us. And then next door to that, you've got a coffee shop, ice cream parlour, and then after that, you've got a closed, it's normally open, but at lunchtime it closes, and that is a jewellery shop. And we've lost Gracie Bouffe. Here we are.
I've seen some slippers.
Slippers?
Yes, to run.
Slippers to run or slippers for the house?
To run.
Slippers to run. I think she means running shoes is what she actually means.
Slippers to walk and slippers to run.
Right. Lost in translation. There we go. How do you say that, Gracie Bouffe? A lazy shop. So this is the lazy shop. We've got a massive sale on at the moment. We'll have a quick mosey on down because our Gumbaru number 1 is sitting in the back and he's desperately trying to get onto Marika and me. There we are. Now, what does he sell? Handbags, shoes. He's got a massive sale on. So if you're coming in the next couple of weeks, you could be in for a huge, huge discount. So there's all sorts going on here. Look at that. There we are, Gracie Bouffe. A nice pair of red shoes to go with that red top and that red hat.
I think even the men can wear it. It's
Possibly.
Probably. But mostly for the women.
So this is an upmarket shop that sells something that little bit special. It's got some beach shoes, it's got some night shoes and some mid-time shoes, should we say, and a very, very small man's department, just to keep your appetite that little bit wet. And there are 1 or 2 blue pairs in there, for example. That one's quite nice. I might come back to them a bit later. I might have a chat with Mr. Nicholas, who's sitting over there, and see if I can negotiate.
This one is nice.
And Gracie Bouffe is fancying them.
Very nice.
There we are.
Yeah.
So, Jeremy, Simon, this is another shop that will be on the list for you and your brother, and you are going to become very, very, very good friends with this man over here, and he's going to zap your credit card. Got a lovely smile on him. Yeah, he's got a great smile. He's a star. So, when you're coming down with Gracie Bouffe, she'll know exactly where the shop is. She'll bring you in here, and she'll relieve that credit card. Thanks, Nicholas. See you a bit later. Now, we're going to come back here one night and do a special video on that shop. He's asked us to do it, so we're going to do it. Gracie?
Some of the shoes are so extraordinary, and this is what I like. But the problem is they are not the real brands, if you understand, but they are so beautiful. And the quality, with the combination with the price, is not too bad, by the way.
Well, it's never too bad as long as you're not paying. Anyway, Vape Express. So if you're into vaping, that's where you become. There goes Maria. She's off like the clappers. She's drumming up the business. There she goes. Beep, 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 beep. She's off. So this is the head office for the Gumbarus with the scooters. So kbdscooters.com. That's where you come. They do other things other than just scootering around, obviously. They are in cahoots with the Evis Safari Jeep. And they do various other tours around the island and around Paphos. So very, very useful place to come and have a visit. Next door to that, you've got the shop that sells really, really good quality leather and canvas products, which is there. Next door to that is a rather good barber shop, and they can, well, they can do a lot of things to you, that's for sure. Have a look at that. She seems to be enjoying herself. and so does he. So you can come down and have a Miami mask. I understand that cleans all your pores and that kind of thing. You see me?
Should I go to shave now, or it can wait another couple
You can have a
of
shave
days?
next week.
Okay.
There's a little bit, there's not much coming on the chin, so she can get away with it. You can't see it on camera. The human eye can see that she's very, very bristly indeed. Right, where are we?
I'm Bruce Lee.
You're Bruce Lee.
You said I'm Bruce Lee.
No, you're Brussels. Brussels.
Ah, I thought the
As
Bruce
in Brussels
Lee.
sprouts. You've got Brussels sprouts all over you. There we are. Right. Now, one of our gumbarus has got a nice little kiosk. Here it is. And she's hiding in the back. There she is, she's hiding in the back. Miss Faye, she's hiding in the back. There she is, hiding in the back. There she is, giving us kisses. That's Miss Faye. She wants to know where she is in the videos all the time. Every time we ask a question, where am I, where am I, where am I? So that's the lady in the background blowing us kisses. She's got a nice brother and his name's Marios. Right, we are to the rear of the Paphos Promenade. There's all sorts of little alleys and things that will take you down to it, like through there, for example. And then you can cut through to the promenade, and that is the side of the Papa Antonio supermarket, which means that we are in the Basilica Gardens and the Basilica Holiday Resort area. In fact, it even tells you on the side of the building, Leptos Basilica Gardens. And that building over there is Leptos Basilica Suites, and that means that just over there is the Leptos Basilica Holiday Resort. So if you understand where we are, great place to be for a holiday, because of course it is only literally 1 minute rolling to the Kato Paphos Promenade. You see it?
By the way, one day we're gonna go to the Papa Antonio supermarket and do some prices and see the prices of the drinks and food.
And then you'll understand that we need to make a lot of money, because it's not cheap to live in Cyprus, contrary to the belief. It's cheaper than the UK, but it's not cheap, that's for sure. So that brings me on to another point. If you do like what you see, please hit the like, click the subscribe, and come back for a little bit more of our madness. And if you want to support the channel and help us to grow, please consider going through to our About page, and you can then contribute to the channel only a minuscule amount on Buy Me a Coffee, and it will make the channel grow. We do have plans to go out to Corfu, to Rhodes, to Crete, etc., but we'll always keep coming back to Paphos, that's for sure.
Mr. Paul, I like those red towels.
Need my money. Right, let's keep going. All she ever wants to do is spend my money. Why we would want red towels, I do not know.
Red towel
Why?
is very important for the ladies. Try to guess why.
Well, I understand why, but red is one of the colours that also fades.
When the red army
It
comes,
fades the worst.
no, we say
I understand, and I
like
think
a
people
carol.
understand. They understand.
When the red army
understand.
comes to the house,
Yes.
the woman has to defend herself.
Yes, they understand what you're saying. But red is also the worst towel for fading. It's up there with blue and black towels.
Yeah.
So they go to look very, very, very scruffy, very, very
But
quickly.
do we have red towel? No.
I think we do.
No.
I think you have a red towel for when the Red Army comes. You just don't know where it is.
No, it's very small.
It does the job. Right, where are we? Well, that used to be a hotel. I've forgotten what it was called, but anyway, it doesn't matter, because it's not a hotel anymore. They're now building luxury downtown apartments, and they're in a great location, because right down there is the blue Mediterranean Sea.
Yes.
Have a look at that. Absolutely spectacular. So let's go this way, and then we'll wiggle and we'll waggle our way to the top of the Kato Paphos Promenade, and hopefully you're going to get some more bearings that you don't usually get. There's another Gumbaro over here that's renting the electric scooters, and you've got various kiosks, clothes shops and souvenir shops on the way. And of course, just over yonder is the beautiful blue Mediterranean Sea. And there's nothing better than that. Paphos is one of the greatest places in the world. We've lost the LaBouffe again. Simon? Jeremy?
I've never had such a skirt.
No, but I'm sure she will. There we go. Let's keep going down to the Kato Paphos Promenade. I'm going to show you the blue Mediterranean Sea, and it's going to take your breath away. And hopefully Receiver LaBouffe is in the background. I think I can hear her panting, because she's hoping to get her hand into my wallet, that's for sure. If you want an English newspaper, well, this is the place to come. Daily Mail, the Star, the Mirror, the Express and the Cyprus Mail. Why did I stop? Because Krasivia LaBouffe has now wandered into this shop. There we are. So there's Spider-Man, and there's the Pink Panther, and there's Minnie Mouse.
It's a Spider-Man.
That's Spider-Man. So if you're looking for that special gift, this could be the place to come. We will eventually get to the blue Mediterranean Sea, I promise you. I'll have no money left in my pocket, but we will get there, I promise you. Here it comes.
That one is the best diamond shop. Paphos. The best. That one.
She thinks that's the best diamond shop. There we go. One of these days, I'll let her go in there and have a look. You never know. No, I'm not that stupid.
I think that one is really...
Is it the most expensive, is it?
No, it's bigger.
How do you know? It's bigger?
Yes. And in a big, logically, there is many things to buy.
That's Krasivia LaBouffe's logic. So the bigger the shop, the more products that are in there, the more money that you can spend. Simon, Jeremy, listen to me very, 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 very carefully. If you've been stupid enough to book your holiday, what I would do is go negotiate with the travel agents and see if you can switch your holiday to go somewhere else. Because if you come to Cyprus, well, you'll never go on holiday anywhere again. You'll have the life scared out of you, and you'll have no money for the rest of your life.
They promised to sing the song.
Right, there we go. So we're wiggling and we're waggling through the Banya restaurant, if you're wondering where we are. And right across the road is the Ocean restaurant. And then right next door to that is the Chloe's Chinese restaurant. One of the greatest restaurants in downtown Kato Paphos. It's a work of art. The food is presented as a work of art, and even the bill is a work of art because the price is actually quite reasonable compared to, well, Northern European prices, that's for sure.
Can you see now they've put in the autumn leather things, by the way, that shop, not summer anymore.
No, because we are in autumn, of course. So when you come out, Mr. Simon, Mr. Jeremy, you can completely replenish her autumn wardrobe for her. And I'll say to you, thank you, and thank you very much. Pacific?
Thank you is not enough, by the way. Thank you is not enough. They will ask you to sing the My Way song better than them, and you will not be able. I would like to tell you many, many thanks for watching. We are really, really humbled that we have all of you. Many thanks for watching again and again. And please come back and see another of our madnesses.
So what's left for me to say is thanks for watching. And of course, if you do like what you see, please hit the like, click subscribe, and come back for a little bit more of our madness. Here we go. We got the Roadrunner gang, and they're going to go off on these wonderful scooters, and they're going to go tearing off down the Kato Paphos Promenade, and they're going to scare the life out of everyone. Thanks for watching.